In this video, we are checking out the Sodastream Terra. It is a very popular product, probably one of the most popular products in terms of applications, in terms of the kitchen and stuff like that from last year. So there are plenty of different Sodastreams out there, and I chose the Terra because it is quite a popular product. We're gonna check it out today to see if it actually is worthwhile buying or not. So let's check it out. It's gonna come with one of those refilling jugs. It's gonna come with the actual, machine, and then, we're gonna sparkle some water, and that's what it pretty much does. It pretty much just adds air into water to turn your water into sparkling water. That's pretty much what it is. That's what it does. And it's saying here that it's also cordless. It's also dishwasher safe, so you can reuse all the bottles. And like I said, what comes inside is the actual application, and then it looks like there's this extra thing inside of there as well as the bottle where you actually have air in it inside the box. Let's get it started. So we actually have the machine here. Let's have a look. Okay. Ooh, this is our actual Sodastream machine. These are quite popular. You see these a lot in the workplace environment these days and stuff like that. I've seen it in the workplace environment. So there's this pressy button at the top, and then this would just come in. That's how you would put in the bottle, and then you would just push that in, and then that would probably steam the water. There's also a back panel that you just unleash. Okay. There we go. So there's like a clip at the bottom where you can unclip it. So you pull it up to take it out, and then you push it back in there through the clip. See what else is inside. I love learning about all this brand new stuff, man. It's exciting. All right, so this will be the air canister that'll come with. So 60 liters. You can buy more of these. That's important to have because that is where the air comes from. And this is our bottle. It looks pretty clean to me, so I can pretty much use it straight away. There's also this line here, and this line is telling us where we should probably fill this to. Might want to maybe give it a wash first, just in case. And that's everything inside the box that it comes with. Got the air canister, the actual bottle, and the application itself. Like I said before, it's cordless. Means no electricity, which is pretty good. It's an e-product, and it shows you how to do everything on here with the instructions. So basically, the first thing we need to do is remove the seal from this cap. So you just pull this down like this. Literally has directions here, so it's super easy. We are going to find out how easy it is to actually use this. All right, so now we can pull off the cap. So I'm going to do that. Yep. Now, the back doors unpulled. It's really easy to take off. That just comes off really easily, no pressure at all. And I'm guessing that just comes off like that. Insert the bottom first. So you got to insert the bottom. Yep. Then that just locks in. And then you just sort of push that in like that. Now you pretty much got the air canister in there. And that's got 60 liters of air, which is pretty great. You can pretty much put this back on now that this is on. So you pretty much just pop that in like this, and then it just locks in. Water's filled up pretty much to the line. That's as far as you want to fill it up because the rest is going to be filled with air. So you want to make sure that that's happening, and then take the lid off, and then you want to pull this out. It's important to do. And then basically push this in like this. So just push it up, then back. So let's try again, see what happens. So I have to push this up and then back, then it locks in. So you gotta really push it in. So now there's a bit of elevation there. We gotta push this top button all the way down. Oh, that's cool. See, I kind of overfilled it even then a little bit when I filled it up to the line because there's kind of a little bit of water everywhere. So don't even fill it up to the line, just have a little bit more space. So basically what this tube is doing is pushing air into the water. Repeat as desired for 3 times, okay, for standard fizz. And then 5 times for like really powerful fizz, basically. That's kind of cool, man. I like that. Alright, so I've now got to pull the ball towards me. Like that. And now I can take it out. Boom. Ooh. So there are definitely a couple of bubbles coming out of this water. So it is pretty cool. And oh, that's sick with the ice, how it like reacts to it. Oh, that's sick. That was so cool. There's definitely like fizziness in there, it's nice. Some pro tips that's saying is if you use like really cold water, it fizzes better and easier with the Sodastream. Like I said before, because there was a bit of water droplets coming out of it, maybe don't fill it all the way to the line, fill it a little bit before the line. There's also other flavors that you can get, so you can get like some other soda flavors for this sort of thing, so you don't have to just use water. You could use like orange flavored stuff and strawberry flavored stuff. Like there's a lot of fun that you could have with the Sodastream, and I like that it's cordless. And it's really cheap. Like I only bought this for like $79, so it's actually really good for the price. The only other thing that you need to take care of is the actual air canister. So you need to refill that probably every so often. You'll know when it's run out when there's no like sort of air coming out of it. But apart from that, it's pretty easy. Okay, so they're about $35 for a brand new air canister. So it's really quite affordable for a lot of people to get this sort of thing, and it's like quite good. It carbonizes your water, so it tastes pretty good. Gonna put this in the kitchen for anyone wanting to use it, and it's gonna be great. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more like this, and I'll see you guys next time.